What's up, guys, and welcome back. This video was actually gonna be made yesterday, but I decided to make it today because I forgot. As you can see, I am having some trouble trying to drive, but those cops are being buttholes. I accidentally I found some suspects and I killed them. They're turning against their own kind. How could they? I thought I was one of them. I guess not anymore. Crap, I'm about to crash. Yeah, there it is. Oh, I busted that. No coke for you. No coke. Come on. Come on. I'm faster than you and I'm in a minivan. Gosh, make me pull over. Yeah. You want me to pull over? You want me? No, you don't, apparently, because you're not trying your hardest. I'm over here, like, barely. The only thing I'm doing is holding the gas button. Well, that guy just got murdered. I don't know what happened. And you want him? Swim. Actually, no. Let's have a bathroom, shall we? Here we go. Dang it! Oh, they got me now. Oh well. So, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, because you want to subscribe to me. Yeah. I was actually thinking about putting stuff like this, because I don't know who watches me. That was marked wrongly. I don't know who watches me, so it's because this has like bad words and stuff. So I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna change. I don't know if I'm gonna make it another YouTube. I don't know if I'm gonna make another YouTube channel and put this on it or what. I don't know. And if you are a YouTuber watching me, just cause I'm pretty sure, yeah, YouTubers watch YouTubers. It's normal. Don't forget. You're not the only one. I watch YouTubers all the time. And if there's this thing called Mindcadia. I think it's Mindcadia. Mindcardia. It's either Mindcadia or Mindcardia. It's for YouTubers. I think, yeah, it's for like famous YouTubers. I guess I don't know. I haven't it, so I'm trying to get in connect. I'm trying to get in touch with a YouTuber that has it that I watch. Texted him on Twitter. He didn't respond yet. I tweeted to him, asked him about it. He didn't tweet me back. Hope yet. I don't know if he is or not, but I don't really have connections with other YouTubers because I don't have a phone, so I can't really find out what the phone number is and call them. So it's the weekend, yeah. Sunday. Sun up Saturday. I don't know why I said Sunday. If it was Sunday at this time, I'd be at church. Yeah, I go church. Love church. Oh man, our teacher's really funny at school. Actually, we got done testing this week. What? Yeah, that's right. I go to school and I test. Yes. And I'm 13 years old. Yeah, don't forget. Expecting a teenager? No. Oh, well, yeah, but not big. What? I don't know. I just need to. Okay, here. Oh, wait. That's cool. I just needed to turn. Oh, my gosh. Oh, right here. Big butthole. We got testing Monday, though. It's the last day of testing is Monday. We got done testing for this week. Not for testing. Can't wait till the 23rd. going on a field trip. Field trip. Field trips are so fun. Field trips. Field trips. Field trips are so fun. Alright, God, jeez, don't you know fun, lady? Dead. There. Doodly-doo, doodly-doo, doodly-doo-doo-doo.
911, please state the nature of your emergency. Omar, can you hear me? I
Nope.
need you to stay on the line.
No, didn't think so. Call the cops. I dare ya.
State your emergency, please. I heard shots. Please, hurry.
Heard shots too, because I fired them.
All units, be advised. Squad is beginning CQS scan for suspect.
Really hard to oversee. Freak out. Freak out. No, oh my god, it didn't turn. Come on. God, oh dang, helicopter got here first, well dang. Those cops think they smart. Well, they ain't. Let's go, cops. You wanna go? Let's go right now. Oh crap! Oh gosh, wasn't paying attention. Nope. Don't think. Oh, well, that. No one cares what you're doing. No one cares that you're hit. You're dumb. Man, you suck. Which one am I on? You think you can catch me? Well, guess what? You can't. You know why? Because I'm a faster driver. Ah! Oh. Get out. It's what? No, it's not. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, man. I'm the person. I'm reloading, am I? I don't know. Oh, yep, that person was. Yeah, I must say you. Damn it. No. Oh man, throat. Oh, maybe I should get some water. I'm hungry, man. Eesh. Monday's on-demand writing. Writing sucks. Hate it so much. And guys, don't worry. If you're wanting me to play with other peoples, I got yous. Cause I'm gonna play with my friends. I mean, I've played with them a little, but I mean, I'm not gonna record it and post it in here. The reason I haven't made a video is because I don't have a mic. That's the problem. I don't have a mic, so I can only talk to them while texting, and I really don't want that happening while I'm making a video, because they won't be able to hear me. I can hear them, but they can't hear me. And if they ask me a question, I have to text every single time. Y'all probably won't like that. Yeah, and I'm still on that 15-minute time limit, so I can't. So I'd spend my time more texting on here than yep, that's my favorite variety. Don't worry, guys. So this is gonna be funny. It's like 9 minutes, 9 or 10 minutes. I'm not really counting. I'm not really looking at it, but you know. Here we go. Okay, just ruined the whole thing. That's a small target. Please happen. I don't even know how I did it the first time. This is trick thick. Move. First I didn't really hit nobody. Him. Oh, here it comes. Oh gosh, there's like cars in the way. There's a car in the way. Wow. No, that just ruined it. Okay, just watch me drop one. A dome car ruined it. Because it's going as slow as mechanically possible. You think you're smart? You're not. Let's just park right. What's going on? I can't see. Just kidding. Oh, parking spot right here. Wee. Oh.
911, what's your emergency? Police, it's serious. Hello, I think I've lost a caller.
Yeah, you have, because she dead. Because she died. You want to die with a where you at? Where you at?
911, please state your emergency. 911, what is your emergency? Help, please. Hello, are you still there? Hello?
Hello.
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
Hey, shooting, can't you hear it?
Hello, I need you to stay on the line.
Ah, I got him off. Dare you. I dare you. Right now. Okay. Yep. They're looking for me. Just don't know what coming. Is there two of them? I gotta see first. Sorry. I gotta. Hey! I'm taking my sleepy friend home. Oh dang, they're talking about me on the news! Want you make me now? Oh, not stopping. No, no. No. Make me stop. You want me to? Yeah, make me. Oh, no. Oh, dang. Almost made it on top of that. Did you see that? I saw. That was amazing. Hey, don't worry, dude. We'll get you home. Oh, hey, they shot a tire. Dude, why is the cops chasing me? Dude, call your friends off. What'd I do? I didn't do nothing. Call your friends off, man. Call them off. Call them off. Ah. Oh. This is not the time. This is not the time.